channel. I wanted to go over something pretty cool with you. This is a DeWalt laser level. It's just going to be a quick little review. If you're looking for a good all-around entry, I guess maybe a little above entry laser level, this DeWalt is something you should probably consider. It's a two beam laser level. It's got magnets on the back, so you can, if you have a steel beam or something like that you can stick it to, bam, then you can shoot your lasers. It also has a thing that you can mount. It's a clamp mount. You can use that. I have never used that. I typically you can put this on a tripod as well. It's got the threads in the bottom, and you can put it up on a camera tripod. Lately, I did a lot of work using this laser. This is a good entry point. I think it's a DW088, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's a DW088 laser, and the price point of this runs about 130 bucks. It's just regular batteries. Now they do make a version that will take the 20 volt max or something like that. It's a little bit of a higher price, but if you're not someone that's going to be using a laser every single day and you're just going to use it occasionally to maybe do some shiplap or set a door or hang a picture on the wall or do some trim work or tile even. I mean, if you're going to tile a shower, this will come in really handy. It's got two buttons on the front. This one button will shoot a horizontal line, the other one will shoot a vertical line, and they will go it's not a full 360, but if you put it back far enough, it will shoot probably 180 or so. It does great. As you can see, the laser behind me, and it self levels. It's got like a little float in there. I don't know if you can see it, and see how it moves. It just kind of hangs. It will self level, and you can just set it down on something and it will just automatically level itself out. And the same way the vertical line, or you can do them both. As you can see behind me on the wall, it will shoot a crosshair. Or you can take the horizontal line out and just shoot vertical, or you can take the vertical line out and just shoot horizontal, whichever one you need, or if you need both, if you're looking for a good center line. But I just wanted to make a quick video about this particular laser. I love this laser. It has come in so handy here lately. I used this laser on my last video when I installed the bifold door. I shot this laser in a vertical pattern and then I pushed it all the way against the wall. It shot up and lined up the rail, went all the way down the wall, and it gave me the mount for the foot bracket at the bottom, the swivel, so you can put your swivel in for your bifold. I got a bathroom renovation coming up here shortly that I'm going to have to do some tile work, and I'm going to use this laser for the first time on some tile. I normally will just, before I do like chalk lines and stuff like that, and lay everything out and kind of go that route, but I think I'm going to try the laser this time. But this is a great laser. If you're looking for a good laser for about the $130 price range, I'll put a link in the description below for this particular laser. This will definitely get you rolling if that's something you're looking for. It also comes with this hard carrying case as well, so you can kind of help minimize any damage if you keep it put up. But I thought I'd give you all a quick review on this. Hope you like it. If you like this kind of video, I'll plan on doing some more. Consider subscribing, hit that like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you on the next one.